Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to delete meeting in Google Meet. Yes, you have scheduled a meeting. Unfortunately, you have some other work assigned. You need to postpone the meeting or delete the meeting. This video will help you how to delete meeting in Google Meet via laptop as well as the mobile. Let's see how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the useful videos and the notification. Yes, in your laptop, just open your Gmail account and just go to meet.google.com. It will direct you to the Google Meet new version. Yes, have you find this kind of a new version, you can click here the new meeting. You will find create meeting, start instant meeting and schedule Google Calendar. Once you click schedule Google Calendar, it will direct you to the Google Calendar option. You can give the title and you can schedule the event. So I have science class for 10th standard. So the timing, today is 4th December. The time will be around 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. So I can fix the time and everything. Join with a Google Meet. I can click and join with my Google Meet application. Yes, so that I can add the guest as well as I can save my invitation with sent. Yes, schedule the event. I can able to click yes, as you see. So 11 a.m. science class for 10th. I have scheduled the event. As you see here, your Meet ID will be updated to that. So 11 o'clock I have a meeting. Unfortunately, I have some other schedule happened, some other work assigned. I would like to inform to the students. I am not able to inform to the students because I am running over there. So if I have a laptop or desktop or mobile, I can able to delete or reschedule the event. Yes, I just go to the calendar option in your mobile or desktop or what any other things. Just click Google Calendar. It will direct you to the Google Calendar option. Yeah. So Google Calendar, whatever you schedule, you can able to identify. So 11 a.m. you have a science class. So you have already scheduled, you know, the 11 a.m. you have the time. So I want to reschedule or I want to delete the meeting. I just click. I can able to find the meeting details. I want to edit the meeting details. I can click and edit the meeting. As you can find a pencil button on the top. You just click and you can able to give the time for 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. and save, and you can give a information. So I have some work, so please consider that kind of message you can send to your students, so that 4 to 5 I have scheduled my meeting. I can able to reschedule the meeting. Yes, I don't want this meeting because I'm not able to come for the class, so I would like to delete the meeting. Just click the button. You will find a delete nearby the edit option. You just click delete event. Automatically the event will be deleted. Those who were invited, that there get the message about this meeting is deleted. So unfortunately he has some other work, so I want to delete that. I can able to delete this. Yes, once again I would like to say, for example, I have created the meeting at 6 p.m. with test meeting I have created. Yeah, so I can add guest if I want. I can save. Yes, meeting is scheduled at 6 p.m. I would like to delete. Once you click and delete the meeting, otherwise you can right click on that and you can change the color and you can change delete option. Just click delete and refresh yourself. Automatically your calendar schedule will be empty. Yes, so now you can able to see the meet. There is no meeting is scheduled now. So this is an easy step. You can able to delete the meeting or you can able to postpone the meeting whether you schedule the meeting. I hope this option will help you to delete the meeting if you don't have to worry about all the things. You don't want to give all the particular information to everyone. Just give the invitation or just give the information whether the meeting is postponed, or otherwise you can delete the meeting. Yes, thanks for watching. Have a great and good day.